Okay, so today you're going to be doing literary dominoes. I'm going to go through the instructions with you all and give you an example of how you're going to complete this task. Okay, so first of all, we have examined the ways that the forms of individual poems build our understanding of the novel. And now we're going to examine how the structure and organization of the whole novel develops our understanding of the crossover. Okay, so for this task, you're going to put the events from each section of the crossover in order. And then you're going to choose the three most important events from each section that show the beginning, middle, and end. Okay, and now I'm going to show you an example by doing the warm-up. Okay, so the first poem in the warm-up is Dribbling. Okay, then we have Josh Bell. The next one is How I Got My Nickname. Then we have Filthy McNasty. The next poem is Jordan Bell. Then 5 Reasons I Have Locks. Conversation. And then last but not least is Basketball Rule number 1. Okay, so now that I have my poems in order from beginning, middle, and end, now I'm going to go ahead and put them onto my tab and decide which one shows the beginning of the warm-up, which one shows the middle, and which one shows the end. All right, so for the beginning, I'm going to choose the poem Josh Bell. I think that is a good way to show the beginning of this section of the novel. The next one for the middle, I'm going to say is 5 Reasons I Have Locks. Okay, and then last but not least, we have Basketball Rule number 1. I'm going to choose that one as a good place to say that this ends. So our narrative arc for the warm-up is the poem Josh Bell, 5 Reasons I Have Locks, and then Basketball Rule number 1. All right, then next I'm going to click down here and I'm going to answer the question, which poem is the most important in this narrative arc and why? And I'm going to say 5 Reasons I Have Locks. Okay, so I'm going to say 5 Reasons I Have Locks. And you can make this bigger. Is the most important poem in this narrative arc because Josh gives various reasons describing why he has locks. This poem also lets us know why his locks are important to him. Okay? And so that's how you're going to complete this task. If you want to, you can change the color so that it'll stand out. Your answer to the question will stand out. Okay, and so the first one has already been completed for you. If you have trouble moving these around, just make sure you click on them and you can slide them around however you need to. Okay, I'm going to ask that you follow along with this video and complete the first slide so that you have an example. You have the example needs to be done the same way that mine is done. Okay, so that's how you're going to complete this assignment for today.